Hello guys and welcome back on channel From Zero to Millionaire. Today we'll be speak how to earn €200 on accommodation on platform booking.com. If you're interested, please enjoy this movie.
But before we get into it, and if you're new here and you like videos about making money online and working from home, then go hit the subscription channel and that notification bell below to know when I post a new video.
Like I spoke on the beginning of this movie, today I show you how to earn from booking.com €200 on travel credit. Yes, you can earn €200 on travel credit on this platform. How to do this? Very simple. So let's go on the booking.com platform and I show you information what I get from this platform, how to earn €200. So like you see, Booking has promotion, book your next stay in a booking.com application and get up to €200 back in travel credit after your trip. So what do you need? You need to go with booking.com for your vacation. And after vacation, you can grab extra €200 back on travel credit after your trip. So it's a very nice deal with this platform. You go for travel, and after you travel, you get extra trip for your next accommodation. So how to get your money? So we need make reservation in some accommodation. So like you see, we are dreaming of traveling again. So get back order and experience the world with 10% up to €200 in travel credit you can use to your future stays. Plus, every travel with account can enjoy every more discounts and reward with free lifetime access to our Genius loyalty program. So you have the option to get extra discount on accommodation when you make reservation on this platform. First is up to €200 in travel credit. Second, you can get some better price for accommodation if you have a Genius loyalty program. So it's good deal. And how to activate this promotion? Activate in the app. So activate in the promotion using your booking.com app by Julie. So it's on this promotion is to the end of this month. Book your stays. Make a booking using this app before 1st September. So you need to make booking stays and get your travel credit. So after your trip, you will get 10% back in travel credit to use on your future stays to select properties. So you have three steps to get you €200 if you make some reservation on booking.com. If you doesn't have app, you can use this QR code, or you can send link by text message. You can put here your phone number, and they send you link to your phone. Here we have a couple of conditions. So the 10% rewards is calculated based on your total accommodation spent, excluding all fees and city taxes. Activate this promotion by end of this month and book before September 1st. Valid for stay will check in by on the end of this year. The maximum reward value is €200 in travel credit. This promotion is only available to users based in European Union. So this promotion is only available to users based in the European Union. Available only on the booking.com application. This is version on iOS and Android or higher. You need a booking.com account to use this promotion, so you can only use this promotion. If you have any question about this topic, put this information in the comments below this video. If you have suggestion what video I should prepare next, put this information in comments below.
Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, enable notifications, and we will see you in the next one.